Most people think a car payment is simply the price of reliable transportation. But the truth is, the wrong car payment can delay your emergency fund, keep you dependent on your paycheck, and quietly take years away from your financial future. In the United States, the average monthly payment in early 2026 was about $770 for a new car and $531 for a used car. Total auto loan debt had climbed to roughly $1.69 trillion, and more than one-third of new car loans were stretched beyond 6 years. That means millions of people are not just buying cars. They are committing large pieces of income they have not earned yet. And before this video ends, you will learn the 4-number car test, a simple tool that can reveal whether a car is helping your life or quietly delaying it. Because the trap is not owning a car. The trap is buying a lifestyle on wheels and calling it transportation. A car can help you get to work, take your children to school, visit family, and handle everyday responsibilities. In many places, living without one is extremely difficult. But somewhere along the way, the question changed. Instead of asking, "What car can I comfortably afford?" people began asking, "What monthly payment can I qualify for?" Those questions sound similar. They are not. One protects your future. The other allows someone else to decide how much of your future income can be spent today. Consider Marcus. Marcus earns $3,400 a month after tax. His old car is not impressive, but it is fully paid off. It starts every morning, gets him to work, and costs him about $150 a month for fuel and occasional maintenance. Then Marcus receives a promotion. His income increases by $400 a month. For the first time in years, he feels like he is moving forward. But his coworkers are driving newer cars. His social media feed is filled with polished interiors, touchscreens, luxury badges, and people saying things like, "You work hard. You deserve it." One Saturday, Marcus visits a dealership just to look. The salesperson does not begin with the total price. He asks, what monthly payment would feel comfortable? Marcus says he would prefer to stay below $600. A few calculations later, the salesperson presents a newer car for $610 a month, only $10 above Marcus's target. The payment feels manageable. The seats feel better. The dashboard looks modern. And when Marcus drives away, he feels successful. But the car does not cost him only $610. His insurance increases by $90. He spends more on fuel. He buys premium cleaning products because he wants the car to remain perfect. Registration, tires, servicing, and repairs still exist. His real transportation cost is now close to $1,000 a month. Pause there. Marcus received a $400 raise. But his upgraded car increased his monthly costs by more than $700. He is earning more, driving something better, and has less financial breathing room than before. That is the car payment trap. It does not always make you look broke. Sometimes it makes you look successful while quietly preventing you from becoming financially secure. The first part of the trap is payment blindness. A $35,000 car sounds expensive, but only $610 a month sounds possible. The total price creates pain. The monthly payment creates permission. So the loan is stretched across 5, 6, or even 7 years until the payment fits the buyer's budget. But lowering a payment by extending the loan does not make the car cheaper. It normally means paying interest for longer, increasing the total cost, and raising the risk of owing more than the car is worth. This is how someone can still be paying for a car while the warranty is gone, the tires need replacing, and expensive repairs begin arriving. The second part of the trap is the hidden cost of ownership. The payment is only the entrance fee. There is also insurance, fuel, maintenance, parking, registration, tires, repairs, and depreciation, the value the car loses while you own it. A person might say, "My car cost me $500 a month." But after adding everything together, the real number could be $800, $900, or more. And every dollar going toward an oversized vehicle has another job it cannot perform. It cannot build an emergency fund. It cannot eliminate credit card debt. It cannot be invested. It cannot create breathing room. It cannot protect you when your income changes. Imagine two people who each earn $3,500 a month. The first person drives a reliable paid-off car and spends $300 a month on total transportation. The second spends $950 between the payment, insurance, fuel, and maintenance. That is a difference of $650 every month. In 1 year, that is $7,800. In 5 years, it is $39,000 before considering any investment growth. Same income, different car decision. Completely different financial future. But why do intelligent people accept payments that make their lives harder? Because cars are rarely sold as transportation. They are sold as identity. A bigger vehicle can feel like progress. A premium badge can feel like achievement. A new interior can make an ordinary commute feel important. And because other people can see the car, it delivers immediate social proof. No one can see your emergency fund. No one applauds when your debt balance falls. A paid-off credit card does not shine in the parking lot, but a new car is visible immediately. That makes the emotional reward instant while the financial damage arrives slowly. Then comparison enters. Your friend upgrades. A coworker arrives in something newer. Your neighbor changes vehicles. Suddenly, the car that worked perfectly last month begins to feel old. Not because it stopped working, because it stopped impressing you. Here is another pattern interruption. The most dangerous sentence at a dealership may not be, "This car is expensive." It may be, "You deserve it." You may deserve comfort. You may deserve reliable transportation. But you also deserve savings. You deserve options. You deserve a month in which one unexpected expense does not force you into debt. And you deserve a future that is not constantly sacrificed to prove that you are doing well today. So how do you avoid the trap? Use the 4-number car test before buying, upgrading, or refinancing any vehicle. Number 1. The total monthly ownership cost. Add the payment, insurance, fuel, routine maintenance, parking, and registration. Do not ask whether you can afford the payment. Ask whether your entire budget can comfortably carry the car. Number 2. The total amount you will pay. Include the down payment, trade-in value, interest, fees, and every monthly payment across the full loan. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau recommends looking beyond the monthly payment and comparing the APR, loan length, amount financed, and total cost. Number 3. Your remaining financial margin. After paying for the vehicle, can you still save consistently? Can you handle repairs without using a credit card? Can you build an emergency fund? Can you invest toward your future? A car is too expensive when it leaves no room for the rest of your financial life, even when the lender approves you. Number 4. The future income commitment. Multiply the full monthly cost by 12, then by the number of years you expect to carry it. A $900 transportation cost is not just $900. It is $10,800 of income every year. Across 6 years, that is $64,800 committed to keeping one vehicle on the road. Seeing the full number changes the decision. And if you are already trapped, do not panic and make another expensive move. Start by finding your exact payoff balance and the realistic market value of the car. Stop adding upgrades and optional products. Check whether refinancing would genuinely lower the interest rate without restarting the debt for many additional years. Use bonuses, refunds, or extra income to reduce the principal when your contract allows it. And be extremely careful about trading in a car with negative equity, because the unpaid balance can be rolled into the next loan, creating a larger debt on the next vehicle. Most importantly, keep a reliable car longer. The months after a car is fully paid off can become some of the most powerful months in your financial journey, but only when you redirect the old payment. If the payment was $600, do not allow lifestyle inflation to absorb it. Send part toward repairs and your next car fund. Use part to eliminate expensive debt, then direct part towards savings and investing. That is how a car payment stops controlling your future and starts building it. A good car should support your life. It should not require your entire financial life to support it. The goal is not to drive the cheapest car forever. The goal is to reach a position where your transportation decision does not destroy your savings, trap you in a job, or make every emergency feel like a financial disaster. Because real financial progress is not measured by what is sitting in your driveway. It is measured by how much freedom remains after everything has been paid. And the next time someone asks, "What monthly payment can you afford?" remember to ask a better question. What future am I giving up to afford it? The car payment trap is only one of the ordinary financial decisions that can quietly control your paycheck. Continue with the Capital Academy Money Traps series to uncover the other hidden traps that keep people financially stuck. You will learn how to avoid common financial mistakes, protect your income, make smarter money decisions, and build a stronger path toward long-term wealth and financial freedom. Because escaping one trap gives you breathing room. But learning to recognize all of them can completely change your financial future.